Do you want to connect your WhatsApp with OpenAI under 2 minutes? Then you are on the correct video. This is the WhatsApp bot that I've created. I've connected this WhatsApp with OpenAI. I will ask this question: what types of products does Style Heaven offer to customers? That's my business name. I will ask as a customer a question towards this bot. And I've received the reply right here. Style Heaven offers a wide range of fashion products across 3 categories. And this is the reply I have received. I have my next question also. What shipping offers and delivery timelines are available at Style Heaven? So I will ask my next question towards this bot again, and you will see again this bot has sent the reply back to me. It says Style Heaven shipping options. These are the options available. This is the entire message forwarded by this AI. Now this is how you can also connect your WhatsApp to OpenAI without need of any coding and programming skills in this video under 2 minutes. I will teach you how you can create this setup in this video in 2 minutes only. So stay tuned till the end of the video. I use Pabbly Chatflow in order to create such amazing WhatsApp AI assistant with OpenAI. If you want to learn what is Pabbly Chatflow, how you can set up your own account with Pabbly Chatflow, what are the features, how all the features work in brief, check out all the video links I've added in the description section. Use the code at the left side of the screen to get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime deals of Pabbly Chatflow. Do use the code. We have amazing discounts for you. Okay, so now let's dive into the understanding of this AI assistant that is connecting WhatsApp with OpenAI. Now I've already created this assistant. I have named the assistant right over here. You will go towards this AI assistant section, click on this AI assistant option, name the assistant over here, and you will come to this page directly. After that, we have 4 sections to create the entire bot. First section is AI instructions. Select the AI type instruction from the drop down according to your requirement. According to the type, the instructions are going to be mentioned in this section. If you want to eliminate, edit, or add on any points, you can do that. It will automatically appear as soon as you will select the type. Okay. Next is AI configuration. Here you have to select the AI to use as OpenAI and select the model that you want to use of your OpenAI account. I have selected GPT-5 mini. Okay. Now I have paid OpenAI account, so that is how I can create this AI assistant. You should have a paid account as well. Next, you have to provide the API key. You don't have to go here and there to find the API key. Directly go towards this hyperlink. You will go to the API key section of OpenAI account. Create the key from this button. Enter all the required details, create the secret key, token will be generated, copy and paste that token in the field and click on this connect button. Connection will be done between OpenAI and your Pabbly Chatflow account, this AI assistant, WhatsApp AI assistant. Okay. Next is AI assistant settings. If you want header message, footer message, or add in stop keywords or add in retry attempt, you can toggle any of the button on. And last is fallback message. So let's suppose this key is not responding due to some reason or error. Automatically the message that is mentioned right here will be forwarded towards your OpenAI account. Okay. Will be forwarded towards your customer. Okay. Next section is knowledge source. Now knowledge source is a very important section. Now I have this document created where I've explained about my business in the name of Style Haven. It's an online fashion retail store. I've given detailed information about this business in this document. What are the services? What are the products? Type of products? Pricing of the products? Policies? Deliveries? Returns? Exchange? Everything has been explained in this document thoroughly one by one. You have to create a document just like this. And then you have to upload that document that you've created that tells about your business. It will actually train OpenAI, and OpenAI is going to learn about your business through the document. And because of the document, OpenAI will understand and reply to the queries it will receive. So you have to upload it from this button. Select the document, insert the document from this section, select the document from here, and you will see a document uploaded just like this with the vector ID. Okay. So as now the knowledge base is uploaded, next is assistant interface. So now Pabbly Chatflow also gives you an option to attach your support WhatsApp OpenAI bot on your website. You can add a bot just like this on the website, just like this on the left side of section of your website. Okay. And if you want to change the interface, like if you want to add in the name, subheading, message, enable, disable this powered by Pabbly, add in a footer link like this from this section, you can do all of that, edit it according to your requirement. Next is user's first message. So like I have directly contacted towards this bot. If someone else directly contacts towards the bot, what is the usual first message you receive? You have to enter that message right here. Last is styling. According to your brand, if you have different colors, you can set up the colors over here from the styling section, background pictures, profile pictures, all according to your requirement. And the assistant setup is created. This is how simple it is to create an AI assistant with Pabbly Chatflow. This is how simple it is to connect OpenAI to WhatsApp using Pabbly Chatflow. Activate the assistant from here, save the assistant from here. As soon as it will be activated, go to embedded section, copy the script, paste it on your website, and the AI assistant will be added on your website as well. Now, as this AI assistant is activated successfully, that means this AI assistant is running. Now, if you go to WhatsApp section, and you can ask another question towards this WhatsApp. That is, how can customers return or exchange products purchased from Style Haven? This is my last question I'm asking. You will see within few seconds, WhatsApp that is connected to OpenAI is going to reply to me. The one that we have discussed right now in this video is going to automatically reply to my query. So I will wait over here in front of you. You will see I've received the response. Here is the return and exchange policy, and this is the message that I've received. Okay. So this is how you create AI assistant. That means connect your OpenAI with WhatsApp in 2 minutes. In this video, I've told you the entire setup of how you can create this AI assistant as well. Now, if you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, do comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. And if you want to purchase our yearly or lifetime plans, use the code that's on the left side of the screen to get instant and amazing discounts. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.